Ayan guys, the tulay is coming. Ayan guys. Ayan na guys, oh. Sinusundan na yung tulay guys, oh. Punta ka sa akin, ayun, oh. Ito yung tulay guys. Kaya di tayo dito guys. Maputi tayo guys. Pikit shoot natin. Ayan. Alright. Ayun, dami na guys, oh. Sikap, my neighbor. Kaya preparing guys. But Papa J is not there. Good morning, Ma. Good morning, Miss B. Good morning, Miss Linda. Malaya na guys. Nagkapo na. Guys, continuous natin guys. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Alright, gusto lang. At tulay, good morning. At tulay lover. At tulay guys. Guys, guys, guys. Papa loves you, Mama. Because the mama in the land, he don't loves Papa. That's why you the mama in the sea. That's the one to love to Papa. Right? Yes, yes, yes. See the Atulay man and the Papa in the sea. Papa loves si Mama. Alright, si Papa Jerry guys. At least mayroon naman tayong isa. Not bad na yan guys. Dito lang tayo sa may malapit sa may sasakyan natin guys. Ayun, no. Sasakyan natin guys. Hindi ko nakita guys. Kuntis lang tayo guys, ha. Kasi mayroon mama dito ngayon. Kahit makalima lang tayo dito guys. Okay na. Alright, kuntis lang guys. Come on, Mama. Guys, oh. Ayun. Okay guys, oh. Yung mga tulay killer guys, nandun lang. So dito din tayo guys. Maputing killer man tayo guys. Alright, kuntis lang. Nakawala yung isa. Guys, another one. But si my neighbor guys, si Kap. Si Deruso, tulay lover guys. But si Papa Jerry, Mama lovers. Alright, Mama. Come on, Mama. There, guys. Oh. Another big size, guys. Yeah. Alright. Continuous na tayo, guys. Yan lang, guys. Oh. At least naka-dalawang piraso agad tayo dito. Continuous lang. Alright, guys. Oh. Another one, guys. Saan yun? Lakas. Datiyaw. Yung sapi si Mama guys, oh. Uy. Uy. Oh, come on, Mama. Yeah. All right, another big size guys. See. Whew. Catching already for. See guys, oh, another big size. But the Atulay lover continues with the Atulay. Ooh, let's go guys. Alright, Papa Jerry. Ooh, bigger guys, oh. Even low tide already guys. Continuous lang. Nakaapat na tayo guys. Look at my catching guys. Alright. Let's go lang. Good afternoon guys, back to Laulo again with Rick Toboy. Shout out to Mr. Polo Palacios, guys. Yesterday is very rain. Oo nga.
Dalawang ulo.
Oo. Nandun yan sa pickup.
Pick up ano?
Kaya going high tide, maybe starting the high tide, maybe like 4 o'clock. But already going up. This time is 3 o'clock. Yeah. Kaya mag-try naman kami dito, guys. At least sa ngayon, not raining, but yesterday it's raining, guys. Alright, let's go, Rico boy. Shout out, Mr. B. Mar, ito naman kami ni Rico boy. Try. If I catching today. Alright. This morning I tried to, but nothing atulay. Everybody very sad. Nothing doing. Alright, Mr. Paul. Good afternoon. Good morning there. Alright, let's go. Maputi again day. Saka malit. Saka si Recto Boy. At least hinakit. Hindi kumulan, guys. Yun, oh. Kadalong aso. Nakaw, magdadami pa ito. Maglalandi yan dito. At least may isa na tayo. Hindi tayo na zero. Kala ko masisiro ako ngayon, guys. Kaya umaga, nakaapat tayo. Idugtong ko na lang yung video ko, guys. Sa umaga, tsaka sa afternoon. Guys, oh. Makawala pa, guys. Nasaan na? Ayun, guys, oh. Oop. Sama mama. Oop. Slowly but rock. Ayun na, guys. Nakadalawa na agad tayo. Seconds lang. Iwan ko. Sirikto ko meron na, guys. Ayun, oh. Isa. Dalawa. Ulisikan, guys. Continuous natin, guys. Baka may blessing tayo, guys. So, pangatlo. Laki. So, si Recto nandun na sa dulo, guys, oh. Alayo na yung Recto na, guys. Yun, oh. Dalawa. Sunod-sunod, guys, no? Ayan, guys. Pangatlo na, guys, oh. Yung this morning, I catching 4. This time 3. I wish, guys. And then I together my video, guys. Alright? Morning to afternoon to fishing, guys. Alright, let's go. Yung laki, guys, oh. Over the 1 pound again. Palaban tayo nito, guys. Baka malit nga malaki to, guys. Come on, mama. Guys, oh. Si mama ulit, guys. Grabe yung lalaki dito, guys, oh. Super ang laki, guys, oh. Kailan na tayo, guys? 1, 2, 3. Pang-apat lang pala ito, guys. 1, 2, 3. Pang-apat lang ito. Okay lang. At least mga lalaki naman, guys. Guys, oh. Kada 3 minutes lang yata, guys. Diba? Tingnan natin kung anong balita dito, guys. Oy, maputi naman, guys. Si mama naman, guys, oh. Grabing super din malalaki dito, guys, oh. Nakalima agad tayo sa wala pang ano, kaso lang maghapon na, guys. Ilang? Ayun, oh. Over ano naman 1 pounds, guys. Gusto natin to. Okay, time to go home. Uli na yung high tide, guys. Already late. Kaya uwi na lang kami ni Recto. Si Recto boy, oh. Ang huli ko mga 6 na piraso na yata, guys. Yan lang. Kaya thank you, Paul. Shout out to Mr. Paul Palacios with the brother, the master of the Atulay. Mr. B, Mar, Ilocano Andler, shout out. Subano Journey, shout out. Ayun. Ang laki. Ang laki ng isda. Ang laki ng isda, oh. Ang laki ng isda, oh. Ayun, oh. May pamalo ka dyan. Ang laki, oh. Ayun, oh. Super, oh. Oh, di ko dinala ang pana ko. Ayun, oh. Laki, oh. Ito nyo, guys, oh. Ayun, so, oh. Ang laki ng isda, oh. Ayun, oh. Nasaan siya? Super laki. Alright. Ito, oh. Ayun, oh. Kita mo? Ayun, oh. Papunta dito sa akin, oh. Laki, oh. Hindi, parang lilog, oh. Oh, may pana lang. Sa pool yan na. No? Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Kasi ang laki ng pinapanood naming isda, oh. Ayun, palapit dito, oh. Ayun, laki talaga. Oh, may pana lang guys, oh. Yan lang, oh. Chuk! Alright, thank you for watching guys. Love you guys. I love you guys and I love you mama. See? Labas yung buntot. Super man. Talaga naman napakalaboy. Kaya kung damputin ko na kayo to guys. Okay lang yan. Kaibigan natin guys. Thank you, thank you. See you soon.